Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tofumi and this is my channel where I teach sewing tips and tutorials, freehand and pattern drafting. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this Asooke bubu in a very simple way. If this is something you would like, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I promise you that you will not be disappointed. Let's get right into it. The first thing you need is your Asooke. For this particular bubu, because the owner of the bubu is on bigger size, the plus size, and the person wants it full length, I used 1.5 pack, that is a whole bundle and a half. So that means that I have a lot of fabric to work with. But if you're a smaller size, let's say size 8, I don't want it to be that long. One bundle is going to be enough. Now, as opposed to how we cut it, that we just cut it straight up like that. That's not how we're going to cut this bubu. What I'm going to do is I'm going to measure the full length and add extra allowance. So the length I'm working with is 55 inches and I added 2 inches extra allowance. That's what we are going to cut with. So the full bundle like that, you're going to start cutting with, you're going to fold by 55. Now this 55, I'm folding it into 2. This is because our kimono is not going to have any joining at the shoulder. So that means that 55 by 2, that's what I'm going to do. Now this strip is going to be in 6 pieces, that is 6 pieces of 55 inches by 2, and then an extra piece of 55 inches that is just 1 not by 2 for the middle part of the back. I'm going to join it together. Now this is what it looks like joined together. So I'm going to join 3, so we have 6 pieces, right? I'm going to join 3 pieces on one side and then 3 pieces for the other side. So 3 pieces separately, independently. That's what I did. This is both pieces placed side by side. That's the 3 pieces placed side by side. Now this is the extra 55, the extra one that I cut that was not double. So I'm going to see that is the exact length of the midpoint. So what I'm basically going to do is I'm going to use it as the bridge between both sides. It's going to be the bridge between the first 3 inches and the second 3 inches. So I'm going to stitch it. We are stitching on it. Not we don't join it like we join normal fabric. So we join gaily. That's what I'm going to stitch. Now after I've done joining all of that, this is what it's going to look like. Please pardon my tape. My tape is very small for this size of kimono. So this is what it looks like. Can you see that automatically we already have the front opening and we already have the neckline. So that bridge serves as the neckline. That's one piece that we joined serves as a neckline, and that is where the shoulder is going to start from. Now, so that it doesn't come off looking upward and looking weird, I'm just going to try and make a small tiny curve for the neckline. After doing that, I'm going to measure everything that I have from the lower part down to the neckline, everything, so that I get how many inches that I'm going to use for the band of the neckline. So I'm going to use whatever measurement that I get to cut out my band. As you can see in this video, my band is 5 inches wide, so I'm going to fold it into 2 and join it to the neckline. And now this is what we have, guys. Can you see how beautiful this kimono looks like already? It looks so beautiful and gorgeous. Now for the sleeves, we are going to be joining the sleeves in the butterfly method. That is, we are going to be stitching on the fabric. So what I did was for my shoulder, I came down by 15 inches and I just made sure that it was on a black line so that my stitch can be perfectly hidden, and I'm going to stitch that all the way to the lower part. Now for the lower part also, from the lower part I'm going to do a simple slit because you don't want it to be too tight and uncomfortable when the person is wearing it. So from the lower part I came up by 15 inches also. So it's going to be a straight line, 15 inches from the shoulder and 15 inches from the hem at the lower part. After doing that, you just want to make sure to cross-check and iron it properly, press it properly, because Asooke is very stubborn. It's very stubborn fabric to work with. Iron it and press it properly, and that's all. Now this is the final look of our kimono. Can you see that it's very easy, simple and straightforward? If you like to see tutorials like this, please hit that subscribe button, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. I'll be sure to respond to them. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.